Hey Luis, I've been working on a project. Feast your eyes on this.
That looks like a flower press.
That's right, man. Solid white oak with a bullnose edge. These flowers won't even know what hit them. Hey, what are you hiding behind your back there?
Nothing?
Oh, come on, man. Show me the goods.
Just a flower press.
Oh, man. Can't you do any better than that? That's just plywood with 2 squeeze clamps.
Where am I supposed to find the time? You know I gotta watch Grandma's cats.
Oh, look who it is. It's the Wood Ninja.
Oh, check it out.
Hey, what are you doing here, Ninja Boy? I thought I told you. You don't come here.
Yeah, you don't come here.
And don't even think that I'm gonna like and subscribe to your stupid YouTube channel.
In fact, we're gonna unlike and unsubscribe to your stupid YouTube channel.
Dude, you're already subscribed to his channel?
Well, yeah, he makes great videos. Oh, and he has sweet context.
Hey man, you don't gotta get all up in arms. I was riding by, happened to be in the neighborhood, and thought I saw you guys holding some flower presses. So I thought I'd stop by and show you the one I made.
Oh, Sweet Dusty Lumber Company. Is that canary wood?
Yeah, you've heard of it?
Dude, is that a brass inlay?
Hey man, go big or go home, that's what I say.
And tell me you didn't epoxy in some pressed flowers in a 7-inch diameter.
7-inch diameter?
It seemed appropriate at the time.
Oh,
You know what, Ninja Boy? Maybe you aren't so bad after all. Maybe I will like and subscribe to your stupid YouTube channel. And so will all of you, if you know what's good for you.
oh, it'll definitely be good for you. It's been great for me.
Hey, brother, bring it in.
Hey guys, could I get some of this?
No.
And what a crash, felt a sudden cigarette as you sang me your apologies. And when the second day we met by chance, what a sweet coincidence to find the sugar girl right next to me.